Okay guys, how to record calls. First time in iPhone 15. Okay, you can simply dial your number here and simply press the call button to make a call. It is the customer care number of some company. Okay, and you can see call is attended and click on more, then click on call recording option. You can see here. Okay, and just tap on that. Then the first time it will be asked for call recording and you can get some brief, and there is an announcement. This call will be recorded and it is based on privacy, because there is three privacy matters. First one, the phone telling you that we are recording your call. The second one is phone uh, telling to phone that phone is recording call, and third one is whenever you need to recording the call, whenever you are recording call, I'll get you threatening from a call. That means somebody tell you that I will kill you or I destroy your family, something like that. Then the Apple applicable privacy is here, that the villain must know. Otherwise, who's the person, your enemy, must know that you're recording his call. So the third privacy is that iPhone's telling that person that the person you are calling that recording your call. So everywhere is privacy matter. If the record call is threatening or any other thing, that one of the greatest Apple privacy is here. So continue that. You can see here there is option of view record call. You can click that. Click on that notification, then you can see the call recording is here and also the transcript is here, and you can simply play like this. And there is two options like forward and backward. Also almost it is very useful. Okay, and you can simply post like this. And whenever we exit from that menu, how to access the record again, simply open view notes applications. You can see the note application is here. Click on that note application, then there is an option for call recording. Open that, then you can see the history of call recordings, and click on that call recordings. You can play again that call recording, and also you can share this recording with someone else. Okay, so you can see we can just play like this, and you can see options here, play again. And also you can see option of exporting or share. There is a symbol on top, and click on that, then you can select different applications like WhatsApp, Instagram, or anything. So in this way you can simply share that recording from here. So that's guys. I actually I don't like the first thing that we are recording your call due to privacy. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch, understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.